Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Zip account from your desktop. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in zip.co like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for zip login on the Google itself and hit enter, and you can see the sign in into the Zip customer over here. Click on the portal, or you can just log into your Zip account from the home page. Let's do that by clicking on the United States as our country, depending upon yours. I'm on the United States. Now to sign in to your Zip account, you can see the sign in option available over here. Click there, and now you want to choose either you want to sign in as a shopper or the merchant. And to sign into your Zip account from as a shopper, you can see you will need to enter your mobile number over here and then click on send code to log into the Zip account, or you can just simply log in using email like this. Enter your email over here and verify that you are not a robot, and then send code. Then on the next page, enter your code and log into your Zip account. And this is the direct sign in page by Zip on Google. This is from the home page. And now if you want to sign into Zip as a merchant, simply click over here and let's let the page load. And after that, enter your email address over here and enter your password over here, and simply click on sign in to log into your Zip account. Or if you want to sign up, just click on sign up instead, and you will be taken to the sign up process of Zip. And similar, if you want to sign up as a shopper, click over here and you'll be taken to the process where you can sign up as a shopper for Zip. And there guys, this is how you log into your Zip account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.